Imagine a future where Trump's second-term policies reshape the American landscape. Picture this: expanded domestic oil and gas production that, while it may slow down renewable energy adoption, fortifies our energy independence and stabilizes the economy. Lower energy costs could supercharge manufacturing and give consumers more spending power. Now, consider trade policies. Tariffs might rattle markets in the short term, but they could spark a renaissance in domestic manufacturing, bringing back jobs in electronics, pharmaceuticals, and steel. This means more skilled jobs and a resilient supply chain. Deregulation could streamline processes, helping small businesses thrive by cutting through red tape. Stricter immigration policies might create labor shortages initially, but they could also boost wages for domestic workers and push industries toward automation. Tax cuts might inflate the deficit at first, but they could ignite business investment and entrepreneurship, fueling economic growth. And let's not forget the focus on technology and innovation. Investing in AI and advanced manufacturing could elevate our global competitiveness and enhance national security. These policies may present short-term challenges, but the potential for long-term growth is immense.